Are you struggling with finding an effective trading strategy that actually works? Then you're at just the right place. Today we'll teach you an easy and really effective trading strategy you may already have heard of, and combine it with a special indicator to really get the profits going. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to learn more about trading, and stick around as we'll reveal an exclusive discount code for that indicator at the end of the video. And now, let's get right into the video. We'll start with opening TradingView and choosing which chart we want to trade on. Now with our new tab opened, we'll start to apply this video's strategy, the trendline strategy. Generally speaking, these are just visual tools used in trading to show the direction of price movement. Similar to an EMA averaging price change, trend lines simplify the chart and help us analyze and anticipate future movement. To draw a trend line, we just get the trend line tool right here, and for a downtrend, we connect as many consecutive highs as possible, going above the chart, and for an uptrend, as many consecutive lows, going below the chart. Aim for as many touching points with the price as possible, but keep in mind, this is not supposed to be 100% accurate. It's more of a zone marking the area of the trend, so don't worry too much about details. Using these trend lines, there are two strategies to go about it. We can trade with the trend, looking for chart continuation. Like shown here, the chart touches our trend line multiple times, always bouncing off it, working similar to a resistance zone. Now, if you're not familiar with that term, we'd heavily suggest checking out our previous video after this. There we already explained everything about support and resistance strategies, understanding and utilizing them. With the chart always failing to break through, it will lose momentum, and we can safely assume a trend continuation here. Though trading with trend continuation works perfectly fine, what we want is to find the breakout points. Our trend line shows a clear uptrend with the chart bouncing off and continuing to rise to a new high. Now when we set our resistance zone, we'll see the price will most likely stop rising and instead drop, just like it did before. The chart will break through our trend line, which is where we now enter short. Now we've successfully used the breakout to profit. However, as easy as this may seem, only relying on trend lines is pretty risky, and you will experience it doesn't always work. Now to get that extra security, we'll be adding a highly accurate indicator. Click the Indicators tab, and this window will open. Here we search for the Swift Algo Indicator. It may not show up immediately, but in that case, just visit our website really quick and click to get the indicator there before coming back. If you see it now, just add it. The indicator will add two key features, finally optimizing our strategy. First, it adds an EMA 200, giving us more chart depth and data to go off of. And second, it already generates different entry and exit signals, ultimately confirming any position we'd want to open. Now here is how to use the indicator together with our trend line strategy. First thing we do is set our trend line again. Now we place another support or resistance zone opposing our trend line side, as this helps us better anticipate a breakout. Our third clue on the next chart movement is whether the EMA is currently above or below the chart. This time, with the EMA being below, it suggests an uptrend, opposite to the current trend, meaning we're probably facing a breakout. Finally, we wait for the indicator to confirm our assumption and generate a buy signal to open our position. And here we see the chart is actually starting to rise, so we pull our stop loss close to entry. With the trend continuing, we also move our take profit zone and get ready for exiting. Lastly, when the indicator generates a take profit signal confirming to exit, we close and take profit. Now let's try this method one more time, now with a different trend direction. We start by setting our trend line and opposing support or resistance once again. Then we check the EMA again, now being above the chart. This is likely a downtrend contrary to the current trend and suggesting another breakout point. Now again, our assumption is confirmed through our indicator setting a sell signal, meaning we open our position. With the breakout beginning, we adjust our stop loss again, pulling it closer to our entry point. Like before, we adjust our take profit zone as well and get ready to exit. When the chart sets a take profit signal, we close our position and once again take profit. So following this strategy, We essentially just have our potential position with setting our trend line as a first indication and then step by step gain more proof until our indicator then fully confirms our position with generating the correct signal, providing us with a super simple and very effective strategy to use almost any trading situation. Now, this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our other trading strategies and tutorials. We link the indicator down in the description, along with some other info. Once you're at the checkout, don't forget to use the code SWIFTALGO20 for a 20% discount off the indicator. Now, thanks again, and see you in the next video.